So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert 3D models into your document here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is, it goes without saying, open up Microsoft Word to a new document or your current document, whatever you're looking to add a 3D model to. Once that is done, go to the top left here, in between home and draw, press on insert just like this. Then at the top left here, there's a bunch of different options. There's pictures, there's shapes, there's icons, and as I mentioned before, there's a tab that says 3D models. I simply go ahead and press on the 3D models right here to open up this screen on the top right. This is online 3D models. So now what you can actually do is you can look at a whole bunch of different options here. So there's all animated models if you just want to view all of them. There's emojis, there's chemistry, there's anatomy, there's clothing, whatever the case may be. I'm going to go ahead here and just press on all animated models just like this. Now there's a heart, there's a bunch of balloons, there's a dog right here, there's what seems to be like some sort of like land type of thing. So for this demonstration, how about we go ahead here and select this image of a dog just like this, then press on insert. Now, once that is done, it's going to download a couple files here. This may take a little bit depending on your computer, but once that is done, as you can tell, I actually have a 3D model right here of a dog. So pretty cool. You can kind of move it around for the most part. As you can tell, it's sort of a document right here. You can keep going. You can pause it if you want. You can play it. Whatever the case, maybe make it larger or smaller. It doesn't really matter. So there you go. Pretty self-explanatory example. But this is how to add a 3D model into your document here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.